Hi everyone, my name is Marian, your technology friend. Today I'm going to answer what is Factory Unlocked, GPP, NTC, and Openline for iPhones, since I'm seeing a lot of confusion in regards to what this is. I'm going to answer this in the simplest manner I can, but if you have any more questions, please go ahead and leave it as a comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media and mention or tag me on your question. But if you enjoyed and learned from this video, please let me know by subscribing to this channel and liking this video, since that helps me make more videos in this channel. So without further ado, let's get started. First, what is Factory Unlocked? To answer this question, I believe it would be easier to understand first what is a locked iPhone. So a locked iPhone is a device that you get from networks like Globe or Smart and is restrained from using another network. So if you bought an iPhone from Globe with a 24-month contract, you can switch the SIM out, but only Globe or any network that uses Globe cell towers like GOMO or TM can use that iPhone from Globe. It's the same case with Smart. Only Smart, Sun Cellular, or Talk and Text will work on an iPhone bought from Smart with a contract. Please note that locked iPhones are not only local units. If your iPhone is bought from, let's say, another country and is from a network or carrier there, that iPhone is most likely locked to using only that international network there and cannot be used in any network here in the Philippines. Okay, now that you know this, what is Factory Unlocked? Factory Unlocked is when your iPhone is free to use any network in any country. How do you get iPhones like this? You will be able to get an iPhone that is factory unlocked if you bought your iPhone directly from Apple or an Apple authorized reseller from any country. For online resellers, their stocks are usually factory unlocked, but if they are not, they do indicate that it is Globe or Smart locked, and it is usually at a discount. While we are talking about locked and locked iPhones, it's best to go and discuss already too what is Openline. Basically, an Openline iPhone is the same as factory unlocked, wherein you can use any SIM to your iPhone and it will work. The only difference is that factory unlocked is unlocked from when it was manufactured, hence the term factory unlocked. While Openline, on the other hand, means you were able to get it unlocked by a network because the contract is done. And yes, once your contract is done with your network, you can get your phone unlocked. Here are some frequently asked questions by Globe and Smart themselves. I will also link them in the description down below so you can read them yourselves. Another question that people may have is, what is GPP or GPP Unlocked? So basically, these are actually locked iPhones but are being unlocked using a chip that helps bypass the restrictions. So let's say you bought an iPhone from AT&T in the USA. That in itself is a locked iPhone. To use it here in the Philippines, you need a GPP chip to make it seem like you're using an AT&T number, but actually you're using a Smart or Globe number. You can also use GPP to use Smart locked iPhone for your Globe number and vice versa. Additionally, some sellers call this semi-factory unlocked iPhones, and that is because GPP actually has a bad reputation when it comes to stability and just being able to use your phone worry-free. So for that, I do not recommend buying these type of iPhones with GPP. And finally, what is NTC? So I have actually touched upon NTC quite a lot on my other videos, but just to explain it simpler, NTC iPhones are iPhones that are certified by the National Telecommunications Commission, a government agency here in the Philippines. Being NTC certified means that they will work perfectly here in the Philippines and that their warranty will be 100% accepted, no worries and no questions asked, by official service centers. Where do you get NTC iPhones, you may ask? You can get these NTC iPhones from official stores here in the Philippines like Power Mac, Switch, and Beyond the Box, or networks like Globe and Smart. You can also buy NTC units from other countries as well, as long as that country holds a global variant of the iPhone you are looking to buy. For example, if you bought an iPhone from Singapore or UAE, considering it is factory unlocked, it will 100% work in the Philippines and its warranty will also have no problem. But what happens if you buy a non-NTC iPhones like the iPhones bought from Hong Kong, USA, or Japan? Well, the signal that you will get might not be the best since your iPhone is not 100% compatible with the cell sites here in the Philippines. You may also have some problems when it comes to warranty since non-NTC iPhones have a different model number than an NTC certified one. Okay, so that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Shout out to Ash for giving me a follow on Twitter. And if you guys want a shout out as well, go ahead and follow me on my 3 channels, Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook with the username @Mauyoni. Other than that, if you want to know more about the newest iPhones, I've done many videos about it. You can click on this playlist right here and find a video that you may like. So go ahead and click now. Alright guys, thanks for watching.